Today, the Lord is reminding us of His great faithfulness. The Lord is absolutely faithful. And He's saying to you today, like I was faithful to Israel, and He still is. He says, I am faithful to you. The Lord God, the Holy One of Israel, is faithful. I know you may be going through it today. You may be going through it at the time of listening, but the Lord is reminding you today that He indeed is the faithful one. And I actually want to draw your attention to this in Isaiah 49 and verse 7. The Lord is faithful, the Holy One of Israel who has chosen you. And so the Lord has chosen you. He is faithful to you. He is faithful and He's not going to let you go. Friends, this is not the time to let go. This is not the week to let go. This is not the week to throw in the towel and say, forget this. I can't do this anymore. This is the week to really dig into your strength, far deep down within, dig into your strength and say, God, I feel like I have no more strength, but I still trust you. I still trust you. I know, though, that many of you are tired. And Isaiah had the same sentiments. This is what Isaiah said. He said, I have labored in vain. I have spent my strength for nothing at all. And so many of you can understand why Isaiah would be saying this, because you've done all of what God has asked you to do, and still yet you see nothing changing and nothing happening. And that's how Isaiah felt. He said, I've labored in vain. He keeps speaking to the people. They're not exactly listening to him. He said, I've spent my strength for nothing at all. And so many of you are feeling that way, like this was all in vain. But I'm here to remind you today that it is not in vain. The Lord has a purpose and a plan for this. In fact, this is what He gave to me. I think it's about a week and a half ago. It could have been last week. He said, I don't break apart and leave things in shambles. I rebuild them. So know that if your life feels like all of it is just broken down right now and it's in shambles, know that it's because the Lord intends to rebuild it. In fact, even now He's rebuilding it. He's doing the rebuilding from inside out. That's how He rebuilds. From the core of you inside out. He rebuilds your heart. He rewires your brain so your perspectives and the way you function and operate can change. That is what the Lord is doing with you. So what happens is He strips you of everything that may be an idol to you. He uses everything, the good and the bad, for good. So right now, if you've been stripped of everything, you feel like your foundations are just shaky, and or you feel like you don't recognize your life, and the norm that you had a few years ago is not the norm you have now, and you've been walking in obedience. God is using this to rebuild you. He's rebuilding you. And so the rebuilding, it's challenging, it's tough. There are days that are tough, and you're allowed to feel that. You're a human being. You don't want to allow yourself to sit in that feeling. But when you feel the weariness and the exhaustion and the tiredness, that's all a part of being human. But you do not want to stay there. This is not the time to be sitting down and licking your wounds. This is not the week for that. This is never the week for it, and it's most certainly not the week for it to sit and lick your wounds and say, woe is me. This is not a time to throw in the towel, because God has too many important plans for you to carry out on the earth. See, after Isaiah said all this, after he said, I labored in vain, I have spent my strength for nothing at all, he was acknowledging how he felt. But then he came to this resolution, and this should be yours too. He says, yet what is due to me is in the Lord's hand, and my reward is with my God. So he's saying that everything is in God's hands. God sees everything. God is working everything out, and he chooses to trust him. And so you have to continue trusting the Lord, because the Lord rewards those that places their trust in him.